Ninja Turtles! Hello, my little friends! How are you? First, let's color Raphael. We'll make his mask and bandana red, just like his sword. Start coloring with me. We are going to have so much fun. Do you have a brown color? Take it and color his knee pads and belt. Now, let's color his body green, just like a real turtle. What color should we use for his shell? That's amazing! We can use our green color. Now, it's Michelangelo's turn. He's the ninja with the orange mask. That's right, orange. Let's color it orange. Michelangelo has got nunchako. Now, don't forget to color his belt and knee pads too. They are brown. Color with me. Now, let's color his face and his body green. My favorite color. Do you like green like I do? It's time to color Michelangelo's shell. Our last Ninja Turtle is Leonardo. Leonardo's mask is blue, just like his sword. So, let's take our blue color and start coloring. You know the colors. I'm so proud of you. You know what should we do, right? Let's color his face. It's green. And then we will color his body. Which Ninja Turtle is your favorite? Don't forget to color his shell. Can you see his shell? His belt and his knee pads are brown. Wow, look at that! We are almost done. We colored 3 cool Ninja Turtles. Ta-da! Excellent job! For more videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you soon, kids!